In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color in GIMP. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can start adding color right away. First, open your image. Launch GIMP, then go to the File menu and choose Open, or simply drag your picture into the GIMP window. Give the program a moment to load the file. If your image appears too large or too small on screen, adjust the zoom so you can comfortably see the areas you want to work on. A good view makes coloring more precise and less frustrating. Next, select the Paintbrush tool. Look for the brush icon in the toolbox, usually on the left side of the interface. When you click it, the Tool Options panel appears, typically just below. This is where you'll control how your brush behaves. Using the paintbrush keeps your strokes soft and natural, which is great for coloring photos, illustrations, or hand-drawn line art. Now choose a color from the color box. In the toolbox, you'll see two overlapping swatches. Click the top one to set the foreground color. The color picker window will open. You can pick a hue by dragging within the color field, or by entering specific values if you have them. Preview your choice, and when you like what you see, confirm with OK. If you plan to add depth later, consider selecting a mid-tone first, so you can easily shift to lighter or darker variations as you paint. Before you start painting, adjust your brush size in the tool options. The size slider lets you control how large the brush tip is. Bigger sizes are helpful for broad fills. Smaller sizes are perfect for edges and details. You can also refine softness with hardness and adjust transparency with opacity. A softer brush blends more smoothly. A lower opacity helps you build color gradually, without harsh edges. With your color and brush set, paint directly on the image to add color. Click and drag to apply strokes, lifting your pen or mouse as needed to keep things tidy. Take your time around edges. Short, controlled strokes help maintain clean lines. If you need perfectly straight strokes, click once, hold Shift, and click again to draw a straight line between points. If a stroke doesn't look right, use Undo to step back and try again. You can change colors at any time by returning to the color box, and you can adjust brush size on the fly as you move between large areas and fine details. That's all there is to it. Open your image, select the paintbrush tool, choose your color, set your brush size, and paint to bring your artwork to life.